Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 11 trigonometry. In that exercise 11.2, the first question: evaluate the following. What is the question? Evaluate the following. Okay. So in that first question is given sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. Sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. We know in previous class we discussed then how to find the T ratios of standard angles that are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 and 90 degrees for sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, is cot. So we find the T ratios of a standard angles. Now we are going to solve some problems based on standard angles. Sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees, evaluate. So we know what is the value of sin 45 degrees now? That is 1 by root 2 plus the value of cos 45 also, that is 1 by root 2. Okay, so clearly we get the denominators are same. Okay, na denominator is root 2, here also root 2. Okay, so that's why we get the common denominator is root 2. We just add the numerators. What are the numerators? Numerator is 1, here also numerator is 1, that is 1 plus 1. So we can write 1 plus 1, that is 2, 2 by root 2, that is equals to, we write 2 ni ela raskochu, we write 2, we can write it as root 2 into root 2. Okay, now 2 ni ela rachina, that is root 2 into root 2, because of root 2 into root 2 into root 2, that is nothing but the root 2 whole square, then square root cancel with simply what that is 2. Okay, na? So that's it. By root 2 means I am writing root 2. Then root 2 cancel. What is the required answer? Therefore sin 45 plus cos 45 is equals to, that is what na? Root 2. Okay, na? So now see the next question in this main. The question is given cos 45 degrees by sec 30 degrees plus cosec 60 degrees. Cos 45 degrees by secant 30 degrees plus cosecant 60 degrees. Okay, so this is the question. Now we know the value. What is the value of cos 45 degrees now? The value of cos 45 degrees is, that is 1 by root 2. Okay, by the value of secant 30. Secant 30 is equals to what now? That is 2 by root 3 plus the value of cosecant 30. That is nothing but, that is also 2 by root 3. Okay, the value of secant 30 is, that is 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 60 degrees means, that is also 2 by root 3. So now clearly numerator part as usually I am writing, that is 1 by root 2 by, you just observe the denominator part, 2 by root 3 plus 2 by root 3. So the common denominator as root 3. Okay, the common denominator is root 3. You just add the numerators, that is 2 plus 2. Okay, in next step we can write it as 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2 what, that is 4 by root 3. Okay, then what I am doing, 1 by root 2 means 1 by root 2 only into the reciprocal of 4 by root 3, that is nothing but ulta, root 3 by 4. So the product of the numerators, that is nothing but 1 into root 3 by the product of the denominators, that is nothing but root 2 into 4, that is 4 root 2. Okay, so this is the required answer. The value of cos 45 degrees by secant 30 plus cosecant 60 is equals to, that is root 3 by 4 root 2. Okay na? So this is the required answer. Now see, in this main only one more question, that is I'm taking fourth one. The question is given 2 tan square 45 degrees. 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. Okay, so this is the question. Evaluate 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. Then what I am doing here, 2 means 2 only. Tan square 45 degrees means, we know tan 45 degrees means that is 1. Okay, tan square 45 degrees means that is 1 square, plus cos 30 degrees means we know that is what, cos 30 means that is root 3 by 2. Cos square 30 degrees means that is root 3 by 2 whole square, minus sin 60 degrees means we know that is also root 3 by 2. Sin square 60 degrees means that is root 3 by 2 whole square. Now see clearly, plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. So this one cancel. Is it clear? Plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. These two are cancelled. Then 2 of 1 whole square means that is 1 only. 2 ones are 2. So this is the required answer. The value of 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees, that is equals to 2. So you to practice the remaining questions in this main by using the standard angles, T ratios of the standard angles. Okay, let us go for the second main. Second main, choose the right option and justify your answer. Choose the right option. Choose the right option and justify your answer. And justify your answer. Okay, so the question is given, first one, 2 tan 30 degrees. 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. Is it clear? The question is given 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. We are given options. Option A is, that is sin 60, and option B is given cos 60, and option C is given, that is tan 30. Option D is given, that is sin 30. So choose the right option. So then what I am doing here, see, 2 means 2 only. Tan 30, the value of tan 30 what? That is 1 by root 3, yes, by 1 plus tan square 45 means we know tan 45 degrees means that is 1. Okay, so tan square 45 degrees means that is 1 square. So we can write it as 2 of 1 by root 3. So that is nothing but 2 into 1 by root 3, that is 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 square means 1 plus 1 whole square means that is 1 only. Now we can write it as 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 means that is 2 only. You can take denominator as 1. Then 2 by root 3 means 2 by root 3. The reciprocal of 2 by 1, that is nothing but 1 by 2. So 2 cancel. 2 cancel means 1 by root 3. Okay now. So 1 by root 3 ఈ ఆప్షన్స్లో ఏ వాల్యూకి ఉంటుంది? sin 60 degrees cos 60 degrees sin 30 degrees tan 30 degrees. So the required option is what now? That is tan 30 means what? 1 by root 3. So that's why, so this is the solution for question. Okay na? Now see one more question in this way. That is 1 minus tan square. Okay, second question you take, it is work, take your work. 2 tan 30 degrees by, I am taking third one. 2 tan 30 degrees by, that is 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. The required options are given: cos 60, option A cos 60 degrees, option B that is sin 60 degrees, and option C tan 60 degrees, and option D is given sin 30 degrees. Okay, now see here, we know tan 2 into tan 30 means we know that is 1 by root 3 by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees means that is 1 by root 3 whole square. So 2 into 1 by root 3, that is nothing but 2 by root 3 by 1 minus, ఇక్కడ స్క్వేర్ ఇండివిజువల్గా అప్లై చేద్దాం. 1 square means that is 1 by root 3 whole square means స్క్వేర్కి రూట్కి క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే జస్ట్ 3 ఉంటుంది. సో క్లియర్? 1 whole square means that is 1 only. root 3 whole square means స్క్వేర్కి రూట్కి క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే 3 ఉంటుంది. I'm taking denominator as 1. Now 2 by root 3 by, ఇక్కడ ఎల్సిఎం వచ్చేసి మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? 1కి 3కి ఎల్సిఎం 3 వస్తుంది. 1 in this LCM 3 times. That's why with 3 you multiply 1. 3 ones are 3 minus 3 in this LCM 1 time. So that's why 1 into 1, that is 1. So we get that is 2 by root 3 into 3 minus 1, that is 2 by 3. Okay na? 2 by root 3 means 2 by root 3 only. 3 minus 1 means that is 2 by 3. Now what I am doing here, 2 by root 3, the reciprocal of 2 by 3, that is 3 by 2. 2 cancel. Then what I get here? I get that is 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3. You can write 3 root 3 into root 3. Yes or no? Root 3 into root 3, that is root 3 whole square, that is nothing but 3 by root 3. Root 3 cancel means we get the value is root 3. Root 3 for which value? Cos 60 or sin 60 or sin 30 or tan 60. The value is what now? That is tan 60. Okay, so this is the required option and this is the answer. Now see the next main. The question is given, third one, evaluate sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. Sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. What is the value of? What is the value of sin of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. What can you conclude? What can you conclude? Okay. So this is the question. Evaluate sine 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus sine 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. What is the value of sine 60 plus 30 degrees? What can you conclude? See what I am taking here. First of all, I am taking sine of 60 degrees plus solution. Sine of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. That is nothing but sine of 60 plus 30, 90 degrees. Sine 90 means the value is what? 1. Okay? So this is equation 1. Now the second part you take, that is sine 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sine 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. Now sine 60 means what is the value, Nana? Sine 60 means that is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 also, that is root 3 by 2. Okay, na? Plus here what they given, sine 30 also, that is 1 by 2 into cos 60 means that is also 1 by 2. So clearly root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, that is root 3 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 whole square. So we get a separate ga root apply cheste, that is root 3 whole square. అంటే స్క్వేర్ కి రూట్ కి క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే సింపుల్ గా 3 ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? సో root 3 by 2 whole square means that is 3 by 4. Because of root 3 whole square means square ki root ki cancel avutundi, but 2 whole square means that is 4, plus 1 by 2 whole square means 1 whole square means that is 1 by 2 whole square means that is 4. Clearly we get the denominators are same, so we get the common denominator as 4, and by adding the numerators 3 plus 1, we get that is 4 by 4. 4 cancel means 1. So this is equation 2. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we can conclude that em cheppochu manam sine of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equals to sine 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sine 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. Okay, na? So LHS is equals to RHS. I mean, first equation 1 is equals to equation 2. Because of sine of 60 plus 30, that is we get a 1, and we get this part also, answer is 1. So we have a formula now. What is the formula? You take a sine of 60 degrees means that is A, 30 degrees means that is B. Sine of A plus B, compound angles. Sine of A plus B is equals to, that is sine A cos B plus sine B cos A. Okay, na? So this is the required formula. So like this you have to practice the remaining questions in this exercise. Okay, students.